Vegetable stock. Here we have a mirepoix, red onions, carrots, and celery. The carrots you like to cut up into fairly decent sized cubes, what we call maybe a large dice. Just using about 1 carrot here, peeled and trimmed, of course. 2 stalks of celery, cut them into like 1/4 inch segments. Everything really simple. We'll get a pot, super hot, highest heat with some oil in the beginning. Then we're going to put all our veg in at the same time. Stir them around a little bit just so they all kind of get coated with oil, nothing burning. And then we'll go ahead and put some kosher salt all over the mix. This isn't necessarily to start seasoning, but it's more to get the liquid to come out of the vegetables themselves. That, along with the heat, will draw that out. It's like when we're doing our sweating technique. So you kind of want to mix them up a little bit. Then we're going to throw in our bay leaf and some black peppercorns. At this point, you could throw in like coriander seeds, or if you wanted to throw in any different kind of aromatics like star anise, fennel seeds. It's up to you. This is just very basic. Now we're going to add some water. And basically, we're just going to keep that heat on, and we're just going to cover all of our vegetables with the water. And as if you look in the water, you could kind of see that it's already taking that little tannish color in the liquid, and that's just what it does when you cook a mirepoix. It's the combination of the carrots, the celery, and the onions, and it just gives it that nice, beautiful sheen, which our stock will take. Then we're going to cover it, and we're going to bring it up to a boil. Once it gets to a boil, we will lower the heat, and then we'll begin to skim any of the impurities that are going to kind of rise to the top. Now, if you look, you could kind of see that it's a little brown foam that you want to take off of there, and it's going to keep doing that over time. We're going to be cooking it like this for about half an hour at the minimum. And you could cook it covered or uncovered. It's really up to you. I like to start with it covered. That way it'll just get up to that boiling temp a lot quicker. Then the next step we will do is we will strain all of our stock. So we're just going to take out some of the things. And when we get into a good enough position, we will just kind of pour everything out through a strainer into another container, take a taste, and that is our finished product, vegetable stock.